Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks bringing you the daily Apple report for Monday, July 10th, 2023. Before I click on the charts, just want to encourage you to please click like. If you haven't already, click subscribe to the Wicked Stocks YouTube channel. Share the content with friends and colleagues if you would, and check out wickedstocks.com where we offer a full suite of daily and weekly analytical videos just like this one. Daily analysis in the Triple Q and the SPY, weekly analysis in the S&P 500, NASDAQ 100, and the long bond ETF, the TLT, as well as two individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube that cater to the 3 to 5 week swing trader out to the 3 to 5 month near-term investor, always looking for 20% moves on those underlying stocks. We offer a 5-day free trial with signing up. And so if you don't like what you see, within 5 days, you're not charged the $47 a month for that entire suite of videos that I just mentioned. So check out wickedstocks.com. Let's jump to the charts. Just a reminder that a couple of months ago, I don't want to count the bars here, but it's 9 or 10 weeks ago, we settled above this 169.67 long-term channel top that set off a long-term buy signal that I'm still expecting to yield this 222.29 long-term channel top. This is a weekly chart by the end of the year. About a month ago, we also closed above the previous all-time high of 182.94 set in January of 22, and so we may be just 3 to 5 months away now from reaching 222.29, our overall long-term objective, where, I might add, we can top out for the year. Now, to take a look at the closer picture, actually, I'm going to jump to this chart here. I should have this labeled. I don't. That's roughly 184.34. This is a pretty well-defined, 4 or 5 month channel top coming off this March low. It did contain the highs about a week ago. That is, channel top is now at 196.67. So you can see over to the right here, that is our weekly resistance. I don't know if we'll see that this week. Just know that holding below 196.67, I've been saying, will keep 184.34 in reach as a 1 to 2 week target. We are 1 week into or following the test of 196.67. And we could actually test 184.34 possibly this week. Now, 190.16, because of the 1 to 2 week downside objective at 184.34 and 190.16, this trend line I'd mentioned could contain 2 to 3 day lows. It's contained essentially 2-day lows now. I've reduced it to an intraday support level only. Now, holding above 190.16 will keep 193.97 in reach perhaps today. All the minor points have been carefully chosen, but 193.97, nothing more than the high settlement price from about a week ago. So we could trade inside the 190.16 to 193.97 level, or area I should say, for a good part of the day. But if we break 190.16, I do think the convergence of two channel formations, one is a 1 month rising channel bottom at 188.05. The other is just a short-term 1 week channel bottom at 188.30. So breaking 190.16 should yield this 188 handle support. I don't care which one you buy, 188.30 or 188.05, but it is a zone of support that can contain daily selling pressures, very well suited for day traders. Breaking 190.16, the 188.05 to 188.30 region in reach where a daily low can be placed. And if we do settle today below 188.30, or I'm sorry, 188.05, you should anticipate 184.34 probably tomorrow. And that is, as I said before, holding below 196.67, you can see here, will keep 184.34 in reach as a 1 to 2 week objective. I've been saying that now for over a week. And once again, if we close today below 188.05, then we should actually see the 184.34 channel bottom tomorrow. You can see that here. It might take more than a day. It could be Wednesday before we actually test 184.34. But 184.34 is a meaningful channel bottom that can contain selling into August trade. And from here, we could rally back to 196.67 within 1 to 2 weeks, and quite possibly onto 208.29 within a month or two of testing 184.34. Keep in mind that, we are in the midst still of a long-term buy signal, and downside retracements should be, traded more aggressively, buying downside retracements than selling upside retracements because of the overall bullish dynamic that I think still plays out as we move into later year. Let's talk upside today. I don't expect 196.67, but we could test it if we push through 193.97. 196.67 can contain weekly buying pressures. Once tested, we can fall back, as I've been saying, to 184.34 within a week or two of doing so. We tested it a week ago, and we're about halfway there, halfway down to 184.34. Now, if we close above 196.67, that would be consistent with the long-term buy signal that I mentioned at the top of the video. And within 2 to 3 weeks, we should continue on up to the 208.29 formation, the steeply rising channel top, able to contain monthly buying pressures when tested. And on the weekly chart, you can see that same formation is at 210.68. And you can see that if we do test this 210.68 over the next several weeks, yes, it can contain monthly buying pressures, and if we close above it, this targeted 222.29 formation, this 3 to 5 month objective, should be realized within probably 3 to 5 weeks, where once again we can place an annual high. Everything I've said, there's really nothing left to say. I'm going to leave it at that for Monday's Apple Report. Please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com. You have a great day.